Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you say, come again. If you cannot stay down, then you do not have to pretend like there is no way out. I should've never let you in, 'cause you got me face down. And don't take this personal. You're the worst, you know what you've done to me. And although it hurts, I know I just can't keep running away. I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, but I want you. I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, but I love you. Tell me what you say now, tell me what you say. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited, then just change my mind like that? Please don't take this personal, but you ain't shit and you weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse than you. I just can't keep running away. But I don't need you, 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 but I want you, but I want you. I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, but I
been trying to let it go, trying to keep my eyes closed, trying to keep it just like before. Times when I never even thought to speak. Don't wanna tell you what it is. Oh wait, that's so serious. Got me thinking just too much. I wanna shut it out, but it's this one thing that got me tripping. It's this one thing that got me tripping. You did this one thing, you saw baby feeling. It's this one thing you did. It's this one thing that caught me slipping. It's this one thing I want to admit. It's this one thing.
Okay, you guys, so I had to come back real quick and let you guys know something. So as you guys can see, like the hair has basically dried or whatever, but I feel like the curl pattern is not much of a curl pattern. It's like a weird wave type of vibe. But anyways, nonetheless, I'm thinking about doing my hair in a middle part instead of a slick back, because this is what it was looking like, slick back. And it's okay, but like this section is falling. It's just not what I wanted. Or I might very well maybe be able to just do a flip over like this instead of like, you know, just have it flipped over like that. I don't know, you guys are not here, so I can't get your opinion right now, but I think that's okay, because then that way you can still see like the front part. But let me do the middle part and then I can decide. Because right now it's not giving what it needs to give, you feel me? And I don't want to do a middle part because that's what I always do, but sometimes you just gotta go for what works, you know? Maybe melted though. One thing I will say that I do like the lace on this unit. It's really nice. I'm still on the fence, like even right now I'm like looking at it like I don't even know if this is really hidden, because it's like the curls is not giving. You see what I'm saying? Like, can you see what I'm saying? Like, this is supposed to be like semi-wet, semi-dry for the most part. This side over here is basically all dry except for the top half, but like everything else is dry and it just looks, I don't know. So I'm just gonna wet my hair now, and this is what the middle part is giving, but I don't know, y'all. I don't really like this middle part either. So maybe should I do a ponytail? But y'all don't be caring about no ponytail. When I be doing ponytail videos, y'all don't care about the ponytail, okay? But like even like the ends, you see, like before I even wet it again, and this is with no product, so maybe I need to put product on the hair, but I don't want to do that at the same time. And I just feel like because this hair was processed or whatever, that it might be affecting the curl pattern a little bit. But I'm gonna go ahead and just put my curl products on, because you guys saw before, like I had just put water on it, but I didn't put nothing else on it. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put my curl products on it because I feel like it needs a little extra boost. So the curl product that I will be using is that Marc Anthony one that I showed you guys, like in so many videos now I've shown it. I even featured it in my vlog recently, so if you haven't watched my vlog, make sure you go check that out so you can see where I picked it up from. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead, I'm getting water all on my face. I don't know, it kind of looked good in the slick back, but you can't see my hair if I slick it all back, you know what I'm saying? Like, and I need y'all to be able to see it, so that's why that don't really work for me. But let me go get this curl product. So here it is. Hopefully this adds like the magic touch to my hair, because right now I just need a little bit of something extra to like get this hair popping. If it was once Jerry curly, it's definitely giving like water wave vibes right now. But like, I don't know. And this product smells really, really good. That's why I love it so much. It makes your curls really soft. Like, I love, love, love this product, y'all. I'm making things overcomplicated for myself right now, but it's only because like I just want a different look. Like, I don't want to do a middle part necessarily. The slick back I want to do, but I just don't feel like I can really see my hair like that. Like thumbnail purposes, you get what I'm saying? Like, people are not gonna be able to really see how pretty the hair is. But I don't know. I'm about to try to make it do what it don't, y'all. I just want you guys to see the quick struggle right now. I'm having a problem with my ring light. It's a brand new ring light. I don't understand why it's not working, but it's not working. And it's like affecting me finishing this video. It's annoying, and I can't use the natural sunlight. How else can I do this video without getting frustrated? Let me not freak out and like fucking panic. I'm over here in my kitchen now. you guys get to see that melt, you feel me, all the way around. So this is just like this highlighted unit. It looks like it's all one color right now, but it's not. This is a 13x4 lace front unit, which I do like the lace on this unit. I like the amount of space that they give you for lace. I feel like they give you a decent amount compared to some of the other units that I've been receiving lately. Okay, so I feel like they give you a decent amount for that. I would say if you are to get some of their hair, I really do like their curly hair. I have tried Jurllyshe's curly hair before, and I actually enjoyed it. This one, I feel like the only difference is because they highlighted it, and because this hair is like slightly blondish, a little, well, not blonde, but like this honey blonde type of color. So basically, because of that, it's like affecting the curl pattern. So that's just one of the issues that I would say that I had. So yeah, even though I'm having a struggle right now with my ring light, I gotta figure that out ASAP. I don't know what's going on with it, but it's like a shortage or something. But anyways, nonetheless, you guys kind of already know my thoughts on the hair. I did speak on that before I came back to do the outro, but you know, that happened. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys are interested in this unit, make sure you check out that description box down below for a direct link to this hair along with all of the details. I want to give a big thank you to our sponsor today, Jurllyshe Hair, for sponsoring today's video and sending over this unit. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye!